What's up, MotherFishers? My name's Gio. This is day 37 of fishing until I have 10,000 followers or I get sponsored by Bass Pro Shops. There's only one rule to my challenge, and that's before I catch, I gotta clean. Okay, MotherFishers, now that we clean, let's see what we can catch. First cast. It's been a lot of fishless days, guys. It's like day 9 without a fish. All right, guys, it's getting cold out here. Last cast. Okay, MotherFishers, that's it for day 37 of the Clean Catch Challenge. We can't always catch them, but we can always clean. I'll see you guys back again tomorrow for day 38.